Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your Hyundai Tucson's infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues often stem from software glitches. First, try a simple hard reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This resolves 70 to 80% of temporary problems. If that doesn't work, disconnect the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes to clear the system cache. Also, ensure your Tucson's software is up to date via the Hyundai Digital Key app or a dealership visit. Many problems, especially in 2021-2024 models, have been addressed through over-the-air updates. If these steps fail, deeper hardware issues might be the cause, warranting professional diagnosis. For persistent issues, consider these advanced fixes. Check for blown fuses, especially in the amp module, if you have no sound. A replacement may cost around $200, preventing a larger expense. You can also attempt to access the service mode by pressing Nav plus Media plus Setup simultaneously to check for error codes like CAN bus faults. Prevention is key. Keep your system updated, avoid extreme temperatures, and minimize aftermarket accessory interference. Regular system scans are recommended. Hyundai is shifting towards AI-driven diagnostics and cloud-based infotainment, aiming for 99% uptime by 2030. Older 2020 models with persistent problems may benefit from Hyundai's extended warranty on infotainment components, covering 10 years or 100,000 miles.